Hi everyone, I'm Rocky and in this video, I'm going to discuss with you the question number 7.11 and it's on page number 225 of chapter number 7 Equilibrium in CERT text class 11. So let's see what the question is all about. So the question is, a sample of HI in the gaseous state is placed in flask at a pressure of 0.2 atm. At equilibrium, the partial pressure of HI in the gaseous state is 0.04 atm. What is Kp for the given equilibrium? This is the given reaction to us. Fine. So we need to find out the value of Kp for the given equilibrium. So let's begin the solution. Okay. See, the initial concentration of HI is the initial concentration of HI is equals to 0.2 atm. ठीक है? At equilibrium, the partial pressure of HI is equals to 0.04. ठीक है? Therefore, the decrease in pressure of HI is equals to 0.2 minus 0.04, which is equals to 0.16 atm. Okay, fine. Reaction which is given to us is twice of HI in the gaseous state, then H2 in the gaseous state plus I2 in the gaseous state. At initial concentration, initially क्या concentration थी HI की? It was 0.2 atm और बाकी सबकी 0 और 0 थी. At equilibrium, the concentration of HI became 0.04 atm and for H2 and I2 it became 0.16 divided by M2 and of I2 is also same 0.16 divided by M2, which is equals to 0.08 atm and this is also 0.08 atm. Clear? आपको यहाँ तक क्लियर हो चुका है सब कुछ. अब देखिए Kp क्या है हमारा. Kp is equals to partial pressure of H2 multiplied by partial pressure of I2 divided by partial pressure of HI having the stoichiometric coefficient 2. So we are having the values of partial pressure of hydrogen, partial pressure of iodine and partial pressure of hydrogen iodide at equilibrium. So these are the values and these values we will be substituting over here. So it is 0.08 multiplied by 0.08 divided by 0.04 whole square. So इधर भी ATM का स्क्वायर है और यहाँ भी ATM का स्क्वायर है, तो ये दोनों कैंसिल आउट. तो क्या आएगा अब यहाँ पर इसका रिजल्ट 0.0064 divided by 0.0016 which becomes is equals to 4.0. ठीक है. Hence the value of Kp for the given equilibrium, the value of Kp for given equilibrium is equals to 4.0. ठीक है. So this is the solution regarding this question, and if anybody is having any doubt then please do ask your doubts in the space mentioned below. Well, this brings me to the end of the session and it's me Raki saying you all goodbye.